Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you how to fix if Messenger bubble not showing. When someone texts us on Messenger, then the Messenger bubble appears. This is also called Messenger chat head. If the Messenger babble or chat head does not show even after receiving the message, then how to solve it? So let's start to fix Messenger bubble or chat head issue. Step 1, we will make sure whether the Messenger bubble or chat head option on or off. If chat head will off, then Messenger bubble will not showing. So if chat head is off, on it. Hope your issue solved. Or if not solved, then go to second step. Make sure your Messenger is up to date. So for this, go to your Play Store and check the Messenger is up to date or not. My Messenger already up to date, so no need to update. After doing this, if you facing still this problem, then you will go third step. Go to your phone settings, go to apps or app management or app manager. Find out Messenger and press on it. Press on storage and clear the data. After doing this, go to back. Press on permissions. And make sure all permissions are allowed. After doing this, check your problem solved or not. If not solved, you can do other things, and this is the last step to fix Messenger bubble or chat head problem. Open your Messenger. Press on any account. Press on this icon. Press on 3 dots. Press on Open Chat Head. And this should show the Messenger bubble over here. Guys, if you follow my video instructions, hope your problem solve. You can comment which method works for you. Thank you for watching.